ready. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I wanna grow old with you.
So here it is, the times. I didn't count them, but maybe you can help me count them now. There was a time I went back into the delivery room and realized that she was going to be okay. There was when she graduated from high school. And not all of these are good moments. There was the time when I had to tell Patricia that her mother had passed away. Actually, there was also the time where I said, I'm not going to be living with you anymore in Florida. However many that is. There was the when she graduated from Mass Maritime. And there was earlier today when I walked into her room. When I walked into her room and saw her getting ready to be married.
I hope you're having a great time living your dream. Sweet little Adeline. I love you with all my heart. Don't be late. I've waited my entire life for you. Love, your bride.
Love one another. Love all that is your life together, and all else will follow.
I, Patricia, take you, Brent, to be my husband.
Take you, Patricia, to be my wife.
I promise to laugh with you in good times.
And comfort you in sorrow.
I promise to trust in our growth.
I promise to give you the freedom to always be yourself.
These things I give you today.
In all the days of our life.
And all the days of our life.
You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Trisha, you look absolutely radiant tonight. Your dress is absolutely beautiful. And I'd also like to send a shout out to the artist that painted Brent's suit on him today.
Oh, wow.
Looks like real fabric. Did a great job.
I couldn't have asked for a more perfect bestie for my bestie. And I've seen it because I've witnessed it time and time again, the lengths that you do to make Trisha happy. So we are very, very fortunate to have such a wonderful addition of your family to ours.
I think that people think because I've told him this, that Brent was the first boyfriend that we actually liked.
So Trisha, thank you so much for making my friend such a happy man. And welcome to the family. And Brent, I just want you to know how proud I am of you and that I told you so. Cheers, everybody. Love you guys very much. Cheers to the happy couple.
Got it.